Spending an afternoon with friends? Looking to contribute something that everyone can share? Bring the gift that's made for a crowd with Nuts premium quality goods and gift baskets. With endless selections to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect gift for every occasion. Nuts, dried fruits, and even honey. Nuts is your one-stop shop for premium quality goods. Choose between freshly dipped yogurt pretzels, jumbo California walnuts, and even a set of variety snack bags for when you're on the go. No need for extra trays or bowls. These products come pre-arranged in beautiful boxes and displays. Salty, sweet, crunchy, or savory. Whatever the craving, these premium quality snacks are sure to satisfy each and every one of your guests. So bring your friends and family the gift that counts with the Nuts premium quality goods and gift baskets.